Hi, today we are going to see about antenna subsystems. So first of all, introduction. Antennas are present in both satellite and earth stations. Okay, satellite antennas perform two types of function. One is transmitting and another one is receiving. So those are receiving of signals which are coming from earth station and transmitting signals to one or more earth stations based on the requirement. In other words, the satellite antenna receive uplink signals and transmit downlink signals. So operating frequency has to be increased because to reduce the length of the satellite antennas. So satellite antennas operates in order of gigahertz frequencies. So satellite antenna which are used in the antennas which are used in the satellite are known as satellite antennas. There are mainly four types of antennas: wire antennas, horn antennas, array antennas, reflector antennas. So we will discuss about one by one. So first, wire antennas. Wire antenna is the basic antenna. Monopole and dipole antennas are comes under this wire antenna category. So these are used in very high frequencies in order to provide the communication for TTT-CM subsystem. Wire antennas are suitable for covering its range of access and to provide signal strength in all directions. Wire antennas are omnidirectional antennas. So this is the basic type of wire antennas. So next is horn antennas. An antenna with an aperture at the end can be termed as an aperture antennas. Horn antenna is an example of aperture antenna series used in satellite in order to cover more area on Earth. Horn antennas are used in microwave frequency range. The same fed antenna can be used for both transmitting and receiving the signals. So horn antennas are used named as duplexer, which separates these two signals. The image shows the horn antennas. So next is array antenna. Array means one by one. So we should arrange one by one. An antenna which individually can radiate an amount of energy in a particular direction result in better transmission. So how it would be if few more elements are added it to produce more efficient output. It is exactly this idea which leads to invention of array antennas. Array antennas are used in satellite to form multiple multiple beams from single aperture. So this is the picture of array antenna. So next one is reflector antenna. Reflector antenna is the widely most used antenna. So reflector antenna are suitable for producing beams which have more signal strength in one particular direction. That means there are highly directional antenna. So this parabolic reflectors increase the gain of antennas in satellite communication system. These are used in telecommunications and broadcasting. This is the reflector antennas. So once the signal once the signal reflect in the parabolic dish, it should reflect to the LNB. So same thing, LNB, the beam comes from the LNB and it reflect it into the parabolic dish and it should be reflected. So thank you.